We've got a glute and hamstring exercise. An athlete with weak glutes she needs to optimize. Today we're going to break down the most effective, high-level exercises for hamstrings and glutes. We're starting with hamstrings first, because after that we can use Romanian deadlifts to transition straight into the glute exercises. The best way to warm up a muscle is by using machines with slow reps and high volume. After doing a few sets of the target exercise on the machine, now we can move on to using some stretches to warm up. This training system specifically applies time under tension tut. You do 8 reps with controlled tempo, then 7 normal reps. You can see how tough and focused it is just by how it's done. Using tempo in the eccentric phase stretches the muscle, and in the concentric phase it helps build size. For this female athlete's hamstring, our goal is to make them look longer, because genetically she has small muscles and small joints, and those 7 reps are performed normally. It was tough, right? Get ready for the next exercise. Romanian Deadlift. This is a great exercise for the hamstrings, and it also engages the glutes. You should keep your knees slightly bent and maintain a stable and firm posture throughout the movement. If you pay attention, there's a pause at the end of the eccentric range, which allows the hamstrings to stretch more and handle the load, engaging more fibers that normally wouldn't be activated. If you pay attention, he did 8 reps with a pause and 7 reps normally. This way, with 15 reps in total, you get maximum fiber recruitment and training intensity. Standing hip thrust puts high tension on the glutes with less stress on the lower back. During this movement, contract your glutes and drive your hips forward at the top of the range. Focus on proper form during the movement. Pay attention to the hip drive. I think this machine and the Smith machine hip thrust are the best exercises for making the glutes more prominent. If you want a 3D-looking glutes, the hip abductor machine is one of the best choices. To make the glutes look round, you need the glute medius and minimus. This machine mainly targets and puts tension on those muscles. Look at the eccentric range. He's using tempo to get better muscle engagement. Today, we showed you some of the best exercises for hamstrings and glutes to help you make real progress. Do these exercises for your hamstrings and glutes, and you'll start fixing their weak points. Like this woman, you can see the training intensity on her face.